everybody. Let me put this down right here. Merry Christmas. Gotta get back to work.
Hi everyone, welcome to my Christmas special. Thought I'd have a bit of fun. Worked hard all year with the cars, got a lot of joy out of them, but I thought Christmas time, it's all about the fun, all about the festivities, so yeah, let's have some fun with this one. Before I start, I just want to say a huge thank you for all your support, comments through YouTube and through social media. It's been overwhelming and it really does mean a lot. As I said in the last video, I'll learn going forward, but yeah, that's all behind me. I took a little break because Christmas is really important to me, family time, and I've got a really busy month on. So I do miss doing the videos, and I will be back next year with loads and loads I've got planned. So this is all about Christmas, being merry and having a good time, so hopefully you enjoy this video. So I watch a lot of YouTube channels, too many to mention for this video anyway. So what I thought I would do is I would just do the highlights of the last year of some of my favourite channels out there and some of the characters involved. So here's my best bits of some of you guys' videos.
In a world where people take advantage and comment exists round every corner, comes one unlikely hero, introducing Worlding Man.
Tom knows this. When you pick up a car with this legend here, we play, what do we play?
Fuel roulette, I like to call it.
Fuel roulette.
So we've got 22 miles until we get to the service station. We have 25 miles in the tank, so normally we should be good. But
we have a trailer. We have a trailer. So we might be on the side of the motorway, so we might ask Paul P to come get us in his AA van. Let's see what I've bought. I'll flip the camera around and you can have a look.
So basically this is it. This is the two minis he has. They're both left-hand drive. This one is a 74 Mini, 1974, and this one is a 1979, but it's got a roof cut in it. So as you can see, all these boxes here, this is the parts that go with it. So with no further ado, I want to introduce our mystery guest, and if you've come up with who it is, He's going to come into shot now and show you who it is. So it is Sean C.
Hi, Dave.
It's been great because we're just getting on like a house on fire, you know, where no rows, do we? No,
None
nothing.
at all, Dave, none at all.
No. See? He agrees with me. We're getting on like a house on fire. It's
No,
absolutely...
I'm only agreeing with him because he's told me to say that.
No, I didn't say that at all.
did.
No, I didn't. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Shut up anyway. What are you talking about? Wait, what are you doing to my car? Come here, come here.
There's been a development. I've bought another car. This is Annie, so say hello to Annie. She's a Mini 30 and I bought her from a lady in work. The car drives really well and it will no doubt drive better once I put the stage 1 exhaust kit on it, so that'll give it a little bit more oomph.
You know what's actually happening, don't you? You've never seen this before. I am on the trailer in the Mini and we are going through a drive-through and I am getting the coffee. Oh god, this is weird.
Oh, he's going to play behind. I'll just pull forward a little bit.
Sorry, we've just bought a new car and I've got to christen it basically. A drive-through. That's alright, mate. Oh, is it going to do it? Oh. This is an absolute joke. Fascinating that there's so many on the road still. Have you seen any minis round here?
Mate, no, seriously, right?
What? No,
Back of that van, right, my wheelchair.
No!
No, seriously, mate.
Not
the Batex in the back, come through the drive-through on the Batex.
On your wheelchair?
100%, mate.
No, I'm not doing it, mate.
100%, mate.
I'm not doing it.
Right.
I'm not doing it on the wheelchair.
Park services.
I'm not doing it on the wheelchair, Alex.
Do it.
Alex.
Trust me, right.
I'm not
This is
doing
gonna
it.
happen.
No,
This is gonna
no,
happen.
it's not.
No.
No, it's not. You saw
This
it.
is gonna happen.
You saw it. It's not happening.
Oi, mate. There's 20 quid. Hey, go on,
Mate, I can't do it.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, but how am I going to
do it? Do it, Tom.
What am I getting?
Do it for total
I
car
can't.
reviews. Come on.
What am I getting?
Just in anything. Get like a cappuccino
How
on
can I
it.
video this?
Just selfie mode. I can't breathe. Oh. I'm actually dying.
Large latte, sorry.
Yeah, please, just a large latte.
Do you have any sugars or sweetness in that?
No, thank you.
Is that everything today?
That's it, thank you.
Okay, let's drive down to
Cheers.
the road. I've never felt like such a bell end in my entire life. This is ridiculous.
Jesus. Oh crap. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Oh God. Hope they don't find me. Chippers. Oh God. Oh God. I can hear them coming. Oh my God, I hear them coming. I think this is probably what you would more like to see, considering there was nothing over there. Yeah. This got exciting.
Hello everyone, and especially you YouTubers that are working on your minis up in the snow down here on the Isle of Wight. It's tropical, it's lovely. So crack on. The problem with having Bernie on a spit for this job is when he is upside down, it's too high for me to work on. So I asked a scientist to see if he could come up with a solution. We took 4 cardboard tubes, the kind of tube you'd find in a regular brand of household toilet tissue, and then we proceeded to place them on the floor, making 4 columns equal distantly thus. We wanted to test if these cardboard tubes would support the average body weight of a human man.
baby chino, please.
Cappuccino?
No, a baby chino.
Don't be such a spoiled brat. Go and get your own coffee.
Yeah. Last time I was working on it, I left the gas on without realising, and it wasn't until I'd seen posting Sean T's Facebook group that I realised. I came out and turned it off. Seems most of it had escaped, unfortunately. Some great primer. Yeah, I think that'll do nicely. I'll go over to the other end of the garage, make myself a little message on the back of the door. I suppose I should have cleaned the garage door first, really, but okay, this is looking good. There we go. We learn from our mistakes, don't we?
I managed to get to a few mini and classic car shows this year, and I really loved it. I met some of you guys, met some of your cars, and hopefully in 2019 I can get to meet a lot more and see a lot more shows and travel a bit further. Fingers crossed. So here are a few of the highlights from this year. like every year, I bought a few cars. I got to see more than what I buy, thankfully, because I probably wouldn't be sitting here, I'd be kicked out of the house. But yeah, some of them good buys, enjoyable, had some fun with them, like these. And some not good ones. I've mentioned in loads of previous videos, I'm not a mechanic, I'm a keen amateur with a passion and a hobby. None more so than my presentation skills. I'm not an actor, by no means an actor. So I thought let's have a bit of fun with that. Although I said I would never do it, but here's some of my outtakes.
Check your recording. One. Ah, it's only on the screen, that's why.
Perfect.
Put you there so I know.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Elmer's Restoration.
I'm getting this first take this time. Should never film after eating.
Go.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, okay.
Bing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Take two. Hi everyone, welcome back to Elmer's Restoration.
I'm just laughing because I'm very aware that I'm making this video, but as people walk past they think there's someone sitting in a mini speaking to himself. You forget about your surroundings, but anyway, so hopefully somebody got something out of this somehow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Illinois.
Start again. Go for it. Right. Sorry, right. Go.
Hello everyone. Stop laughing.
Because you're good. Right, okay, right. Go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of Eleanor's restoration videos. Today I'm going to be helping my dad and this is video 26.
Hi everyone, well, take 2. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. That's all I've got. See you later. Hi everyone. Easier than it looks, this. Editing's a wonderful thing. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I need to stop saying This will definitely be on the outtakes. Hi everyone. Shut up. Right. Get yourself. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Hi everyone, welcome back to the second part of the exhaust and lamp sensor replacement. Sometimes wish you lived in the country. Right, we'll do that bit again. I'm going to car you for 10 minutes and then you put this on and boom. Fuel pump's working fine. Sorry, fuel filter's fuel filter's working. Dear me. The fuel filter's working fine. So, yeah. The mechanism, if you hold it, should wind it up and down now. Quite securely. One way. And watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. To move your fingers. Well, you need to open it wide to make sure it covers the whole amount. Okay, and make sure you're clipping both sides. So, see that bit there? Use this as a tab to push against it. Oh, watch my fingers. Quite like them. Oh, that was close. Right, so I'm not far away from finishing the right hand side, and it's the left hand side, so shut up. Ah. This is definitely for the outtakes. I think I'm going mad, honestly. Right. I don't know why I'm laughing. Honestly, I don't know why I'm laughing. It must be the paint fumes or something. Right, so you've seen me do the left hand side of the rear subframe, building it, stripping it. Again, they've been tacked on and then they've been covered up by what appears to be like a fiberglass type fillet. One for the outtakes. Christmas. So all in all, it's been a really good year for me. I've really had a good time in this garage, ups and downs, but there's a few of the guys out there that it's not been such a good year for, and I thought I would just give them a quick mention because really decent guys and I value them as friends. First one, Adam Campion, lost his dad this year, and I've lost someone, people close to me, and I know how much that hurts. So my condolences, Adam. You know that because when I seen you in person I says that to you, so sorry for your loss, mate. And Graham Stockdale from Team Stockdale. Graham lost his wife Sandra this year. It's always from social media how much they loved each other, and it's really sad. Really sad when people lose people close to them. Hopefully, Graham, you can come out the other side, and I'm looking forward to some of these projects you've got going. So again, my condolences to you, mate, and hopefully next year I get to meet you in person and I can see around some of these projects. But you know where I am if you need anything, mate. So that's the end of the Christmas special. Hopefully you guys had a laugh. That was the whole point, the whole aim, because I've said before, if you're not having a laugh, what's the point? To come next year, I've got lots of plans, huge plans. More bodywork on Eleanor, a few surprises, a few big decisions to make, which are going around in my head just now, but I'll keep them to myself at the moment and I'll share them with you in the new year. Lots and lots to come, and I'd like to say no more cars to come, but I'm not promising. So that just leaves for me to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hopefully everyone and their families have a fantastic Christmas and don't drink too much or eat too much. I will. Take care. See you in the next video.